advisory committee, specifically assisting in the area of marketing. And so one of the things that I did, and it was really a win-win for all those involved, was I wrote a marketing case around how best to market the new varsity hockey team here at Nipissing University. And so it was a case that I tested with my second-year marketing students, so a total of about 120 students, developed marketing ideas around how best to attract fans to come out and support our new men's Lakers varsity hockey team. I think of all the cases I've done in the classroom, this one was so relevant to students because they were living it. It was in real time. It wasn't a case that happened 10 years ago. It was a case that was unfolding before our eyes. And so, you know, a lot of the groups came up with this passion and enthusiasm. Guys, girls, people that liked hockey, people that didn't know anything about hockey, everybody kind of jumped on board. And I think when you sat back and you watched these presentations, that's what really came out. It was like, wow, people are passionate about this. We have something really great here. And so in that particular case, those ideas of the students were so impressive and their passion for it that the Lakers varsity hockey team management hired them aboard to do some of the marketing this past season. I teach a first year marketing course, and so I get a lot of students coming in who really don't have a clue what it is they want to do. And one of the things that I tell them is that business is so versatile that you'll use it anywhere, in any industry, any company, any city. It needs business as the backbone, needs to drive the economy. And so regardless of whether they want to go and start their own business, work for a big corporation, go into the arts, go into entertainment, sports, you need those business skills. And so I think Northern Ontario is unique in the sense that we have a very tight-knit community. We work very closely with our partners, our business partners here in the community. We do a lot of consulting work. We have local professionals coming in and speaking to students, and those kind of industry ties are really important, especially when students graduate, they want to get references, they're looking for jobs. These things can be very, very valuable. And I think that we have this kind of special network that we might not be able to get in a bigger center. When I have students coming in first year, and they're young, right? They're 17 years old in some cases, 18 years old. They don't know what they want to do, and you really try to guide them to make the most of the next 4 years because it's such a special and unique time, and you never get that time back, right? You get older, you get all these responsibilities, and so I think one of the things that Nipissing does is it provides them with a lot of these opportunities. So whether it's becoming a research assistant, a teaching assistant, extracurricular activities, student council, case competitions, it's up to them to guide what they want out of it, and they can get just tons and tons, much more than just a degree. When they walk across that stage after 4 years, they walk away with much more than just a piece of paper. And I think that's our commitment to them, the School of Business, and Nipissing in general, is to give them those kind of experiences and opportunities to grow as individuals.